Hi, I'm Ms. Pieniazek, and I teach English 3 AP and regular here at East Central High School.
Hi, I'm Ms. Fargier. I teach all AP English 3, language and composition. So Ms. Pionizik and I are here to talk to the 10th graders, to you guys, about why you should take AP classes. Okay, and this school also, you'll see a banner here. This school has gotten a grant from the National Math and Science Initiative, and next year will be the last year of the grant, so it will directly impact you. So when you think about English, when you're in your English classes, do any of these apply to you? Are you falling asleep because you're bored? Do you love to read and understand the text before the class even discusses the plot? Do you long to have meaningful discussions with your classmates about real-world connections and concepts?
And in general, do you want to learn to utilize technology, collaborating with your peers to produce amazing projects, to apply skills that are necessary for real life and college, or to articulate original ideas and support them with evidence?
So when you think of AP, what comes to mind? These are a few of the myths that we see.
So some of the myths that students think when they think AP, they think that it's just more work. They think it's just more homework, it's a ton of notes, and it's super hard, and it's only a class for top students.
Okay, and those are not true. AP is not more work, it's just a different kind of work. And so when you think about why should a student take AP, okay, you concentrate on subjects that you're interested in, you can sharpen your skills, take courses that prepare you for college and your career, and it helps you to stand out with that 12 points added to your GPA. Okay, so going back to why should a student take AP, it helps you explore your learning, the way you take notes, the way you learn, the way you process, and how you study. We talk about Vygotsky in our class, which Vygotsky groups are groups that we form where students are with other students from different abilities. So you have very strong students with students that struggle, and you learn together. And so a part of the class, it's not a lecture-based notes class. It's more of the students having a problem before them and then working together in their group, talking and problem solving and using those creative thinking skills. So AP Language and Composition is really a class about learning to think, and that's something that you desperately need in college. The skills that you'll learn, we'll learn multiple choice skills, which you will use on the SAT or ACT and the AP multiple choice. Rhetorical analysis skills, which is the essay on the SAT. How to do MLA 8 research, which is current. It updated, the MLA guidelines updated last March, and so we keep you up to date and ready for college. And then the importance of sticking to due dates. And so by working with an AP class, you become responsible for your learning and you challenge yourself for that. So Ms. Pionizik is going to talk to you about the profile of an EC graduate.
So what we're trying to do as AP teachers is to develop well-rounded students that have these following skills to be an effective problem solver, creativity, you're a lifelong learner, as well as having a strong work ethic, even being technologically competent, and having a lot of grit, getting through hard situations, being resilient and goal-oriented, someone who's intrinsically motivated, someone who is a calculated risk taker, and you're ready for the world after high school.
And so by taking an AP class, you're challenging yourself to become one of these characteristics of having these characteristics of an EC graduate. So we have a grant through the National Math and Science Institute, and through the grant, the big things is that you have teachers that are rocking teachers, like rock star teachers. We go to trainings in Dallas for 4 days in the summer and then 3 days out of the year. And they offer 3 study sessions, which are Super Saturdays. Our next one is this coming Saturday, March 2nd, where they fly in professors and master teachers, and they work with students in small groups for an hour each about each part of the AP test. If you pass your AP test, where you get a 3 or higher, you get college credit, which is where you save thousands of dollars and your time, and you get $100 in cash for passing the test.
So what does an AP ELA class look like? So students, sometimes in the classes, students are often sitting where they're comfortable, so it's flexible seating. Students are taking Google form assessments on their phones and doing things that are technologically savvy. Students are sitting in 2 circles. We call those Socratic seminars, and leading discussions, so you do more leadership types of things in the classes. Students can even be in the hallway working on projects and collaborating with one another. And students are also talking, laughing, discussing notes and relevant topics related to the subject you're talking about.
It's not just sitting still, lecturing, and taking a test and forgetting it.
Right.
And it can look like chaotic mess, but it's organized, we promise. So here's a video. I don't know. It's not going to work. So we'll keep going. When you're comparing English to AP, these are some of the things. Do you want to do regular?
So regular English looks like where you just read a novel, short stories in place. You review argument and expository writing. You read and analyze fiction. You write an MLA 8 research paper and focus on improving your reading and comprehension skills as well as your writing skills.
Where AP is going to focus on how to critically read, analyze visuals and nonfiction text, we will focus specifically on the multiple choice strategies for the SAT, ACT, and AP. Also for the test you can take for the military, the ASVAB, you can apply it to that. And our parts of writing are rhetorical analysis, the SAT, and argument prompts in time situations. So it also helps you to learn to manage stress with what you're doing. So Ms. Pieniazek and I would like to thank you, and we really hope to see you in our classes. There's no summer assignment. It's not a lot of homework.
Hardly any homework at all.
It's just working hard in class.
Right.
So thank you guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.